This is how you can change and set the battery charging limit on your Android phone. Let me talk about it and guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. Of course, it can all be found inside of the settings. Just make sure you are on the main page, so you have your account at the top and you are scrolling through the main menus. And I want you to find the battery section in here, which is showing you all of the different details about the usage. So we have the power saving mode and so many other things. But for the charging limit, we need to head over to the battery protection, which is below. You can tap it like this, and you can at first enable the battery protection features, and we can proceed to set it up the way that we want. So at the bottom, we have the adaptive protection, which, as you can see, if you enable it and click on turn on, you will have the ability to limit the charging at 80%, right? So I kind of have to go through this setup process, sort of. But as you can see, based on the description, it stops charging at 80% while you're asleep, and it finishes charging to 100% just before you wake up. So that's a nice way to limit the charging and preserve the battery a little bit more. And also you can see that we can pick the maximum charging, so your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%, which is another way to set the charging limit. So if you want to keep it at a maximum of 80%, choose this option. But if you want to just make sure it stretches out the remaining 20% until it reaches 100, then you can enable the option below. So that's how you can set that up. Let me know if you actually managed to make it work and find it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.